Kangaroos look playful, but their superpower is efficiency through motion. Their powerful legs act like living springs, allowing them to leap great distances while using less energy than walking. Kangaroos can travel long miles across dry land without tiring. Their favorite food is grass, leaves, and shrubs, perfectly suited for their strong digestive system. Kangaroos are important to humans because they help maintain grasslands, support ecosystems, and represent Australia's natural heritage. Though not typically pets, kangaroos are intelligent, social animals that care deeply for their young. The kangaroo's true superpower is movement turned into survival strength, balance, and endurance in every leap.